Hey y'all, it's Sadasa back with another video. If you're new here, welcome to HP Life and Style. I make videos related to luxury, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So if you're interested in that type of content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and join the family. If you're not new here, hey girl, I got a good one for you. A really good one. So y'all know 11/11 happened, Singles Day, and they have a lot of sales. And I purchased from Karl Lagerfeld. So, as I'm sure y'all know, Karl Lagerfeld was the designer for many years for Chanel, as well as Fendi, were I would say the top two fashion houses that he was kind of known for. But what a lot of people don't know is that he actually had his own brand. So there are basically two lines, really quick rundown. The Karl Lagerfeld brand is kind of more of his high-end line that he made to compete with the higher end brands. And then there's the Karl Lagerfeld Paris line. And that's kind of the more contemporary line. I actually did review some of those products. I did the sweaters probably around this time last year. I have still been wearing those. Still love those sweaters. They are such a great quality sweater. And I feel like they were under $50. I don't even remember. But go check out that video. I'll link it somewhere up above. But yeah, so when I saw this bag, I had to get it. So y'all look at this box. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all how it opens. I actually did already kind of open this, but I'm recreating it for y'all. So it opens like this. It's not magnetic. And look, Karl put his picture there. Like, look at that. I love this packaging, by the way. And then it had black paper. And like I said, I already opened this. So I'm going to reveal this to you. So this is the Karl Lagerfeld K Autographed soft shoulder bag. So it comes with the silver and gold chains, which, you know, we recognize that detail. But yeah, it's very soft. Y'all, when I tell y'all this is soft, so this bag is actually made out of lambskin, and it is so soft and smooth. Like, the leather on this feels amazing, as it should if it's lambskin, okay? And it does, because Karl understood the assignment. So it opens up actually on the side like this. This is where it fastens. And let me get this wrapping out of here for y'all. I can already see it does come with a dust bag. So let me show you that real quick. So this is what your dust bag is going to look like. But yeah, let me get this wrapping out so y'all can see the inside. Okay, so looking at the inside, of course, you can see where the chains come through, where it fastens. And then there is a back slip pocket right here, which just comes like, I think it's like a care card in here. Oh, yeah, care card, and then there's like a tag in here as well. And this, the pocket is like leather as well, but then the inside is fabric. You can see that. But yeah, as you can see, it's super roomy inside. This is a really nice size shoulder bag. And the bottom doesn't have any feet or anything, but as you can see, the front and back kind of extend a little below the base of the bag. You have the sides and then the top, which looks like this. And then also there is a back slip pocket as well. So you can fit a lot of stuff in there as well. And it does say Karl Lagerfeld on the back. And let me give you a close up. So on the where it goes through. I forgot what you call these things, but anyway, it does say Karl Lagerfeld on here as well. You can see that. And then you have the KL, which is why this is called the K Autograph shoulder bag. It has the autographed initials right there. But yeah, you can pull the strap all the way through like this, as you can see, and also you can do it like this to have it more of a handheld situation going on. But yeah, so the color of this bag is tobacco. That's the color of this bag. So I hope that's coming across on camera. It is a really, really deep chocolatey brown, and it's called tobacco. But yeah, this bag, it reminds me of the Fendi calligraphy bag also a little bit. I don't know, I don't think that bag ever really popped off. I loved it. It was a super cute bag, but I guess people didn't really like it. But I was thinking that wasn't a soft bag either. But yeah, this is, like I said, super soft lambskin, and as you can see, like, you'll have to like, you can see like the shape and everything and how it does, because it's so soft. This is such a soft bag, but it is so gorgeous, y'all. I'm so excited to wear this. I'm so glad I got this color when I did. I feel like it's super perfect for fall and winter. They also have this bag in a couple other colors, versions, sizes. Check out the Karl Lagerfeld website. This was actually even more on sale during Black Friday. So I was a little bit upset about that, but you know, it was only like $25, I think. So I'll live. But definitely check out the Karl Lagerfeld website. I will leave it linked down below. Don't get it confused, because like I said earlier, there are two. There's Karl Lagerfeld, which this comes from, which is the higher end line. And then there's Karl Lagerfeld Paris, which also has a lot of great bags. So I actually shared some of those over on Instagram during Black Friday, because they were on sale as well. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all my new bag because it's super cute. Super happy to have it. And I might be making some more purchases from Karl Lagerfeld, because there are a lot of good bags over there that I can't believe I didn't know about. But anywho, we're not going to be sleeping on Karl Lagerfeld anymore. I feel like we've been sleeping on Karl Lagerfeld. I see more and more people talking about Karl Lagerfeld Paris now, but not his higher end line, which is Karl Lagerfeld. But anywho, if you have any of these pieces, let me know. Let me know what your faves are. If you have any questions about this bag, also drop down in the comments and leave those down below. As always, thank y'all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.